Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook ginataang manok na may papaya. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. These are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, and then pork cubes. I mean chicken cubes, and then the gata or kokomama, the papaya, the chicken I marinated with soy sauce and black pepper, and then we have garlic, ginger, chilies, spring onions, and then put it all together. We're gonna let the chicken cook first, and then before we put the gata, and then ginger, garlic, onions, spring onions, and then the chilies. We're gonna put it all, and then okay guys, we're gonna let it boil until it will cook, and we're gonna proceed to the next procedure after the chicken is cooked. Okay, we're gonna cover it first and let it boil. Guys, look at that one. The chicken is cooked now, and then chicken cubes, the coconut milk, papaya guys, and add more black pepper. And then salt, guys. We just add more later. Super yummy na. And until the papaya is done. Okay, guys. Our ginataang manok na may papaya is done. It's super yummy, guys. Look at that one, guys. Oh, it's super yummy. Ginataang manok na may papaya. I'm gonna garnish with this one so that it becomes super beautiful. Guys, it's tasting. Tasting time, and it's super yummy. I think we need a little salt. A little. Okay guys, look at that one. It's super yummy. The papaya is very yummy. It again.